Alright guys, I'm so excited for this. This just came in today. And it is our FLATE, our Moab 10.6 CFM dual air compressor. So this is the fastest air compressor in its class. Easily connects to all FLATE products. Rubber anti-vibration feet. Attaches to any car battery. Can be mounted and hardwired. And includes a 26-inch extension hose and carrying bag. Excited to use this. So this is how the FLATE Moab bag looks like. I just unzip the bag. Oh wow, this is nice. The quality feels good. And this is how the air compressor looked like. And oh, here's the, I'm guessing the tips for it. And here's the instruction booklet. Car battery connector right there. And then here's the nozzle. This is the hose that it comes with. So this is nice. We already have the digital one. So that's cool for the all 4 tires. But this is cool too though that it comes with this. The air compressor right here. And this is the specs for it. Here's the connector for it. Straight to the battery. We are here at a park. Nice, lovely place. And we're out here to demonstrate our new Moab FLATE. All right. But first, we're going to show you guys something. So this is our trunk space right here. Please open it. And this is how much stuff we got in here. And can you please take out the, what's this, the FLATE?
Yeah.
So just to show how much space it's just taking up.
So this is our
FLATE.
the hose.
The coilers, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you call
And
it?
then this is the FLATE
Compressor.
compressor.
That's it.
And then the rest are all of our gears.
It doesn't take that much space. Here, let me just zoom it out. See, there you go.
Yeah.
Plenty of space. This is the coilover hoses.
Is our Moab compressor.
Moab compressor right there. And it doesn't really take much space. So let's time on how fast and slow we could air up and air down. We also forgot to mention, so this is the FLATE Moab air compressor. And then this was our old one.
This was our old one.
Let me just zoom out. There you go.
It went through a lot of trails with
Yeah.
us.
But look at the size difference.
I know.
That's why look how much faster this is versus this one. This one did all right, but it was kind of slow.
Yeah.
But this one, whoo, damn, it was like 3 times, heck, probably 4 times faster.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Yep, so worth it. Especially those rainy days in Big Bear. So it's only been like a few minutes. We started at 19.1. Damn, we're already at 30.9. Oh, 31. We're almost there. We'll stop like at 36. Or heck, we could even go 37.
Yeah.
And it's raining too. So perfect. All 4 tires. Look at that. That's sweet. And just to be 100% sure, let's see what the Bronco says. How fast that is. 33, 33, 35. Oh, it's already 35 on the other on the rear side. 34. Cool. Another big question was, oh, does it get all tangled?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yes, it does. But does it take 20 minutes to untangle it? No.
No.
It only takes a few seconds.
Yeah.
And that's it. Right now, it's pretty
not
organized.
It's not that tangled.
Yeah, so look how easy that was. And this also comes with what, 1 free hose?
Yeah, from the Moab.
Comes with 1 free hose from the Moab compressor.
Yeah.
Put this in the middle. And it's already kind of tangled up. Now I just gotta untangle it.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. All right. Okay, so after untangling that part, that only took a few seconds. So now I'm just gonna put all this in all 4 tires.
Yes. Oh, it's not locked. Hold on. Let me lock this one.
Oh.
You need to make sure that this is
Yeah, you gotta make sure that one's
locked.
locked. There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you. Or else it's just gonna air down already.
It's gonna start airing down.
That's gonna suck.
Hey, how you doing? I wanna get to know
There.
And then that only took like about a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Our tire pressure is 34.1. So that's what it's showing, 34.2, whatever. 34.2, 34.1. And then we'll see what's the tire pressure here in the vehicle. All 30, it's showing all 35s.
Yep, it's all 35s right now.
So Easy FLATE has it at 34.1, 34.2, but the car has it at 35.
35. Yeah.
All right, now let's time it to see how fast we could go down. So the moment of truth. So 34.1.
Uh-huh.
And here's the clock.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Should we check it?
Yeah, let's check it. 27 already. And the time has already been under a minute.
Yeah.
Let me check the, let me zoom out. So the low tire pressure warning came in. It's already at 25, 26. All right, let's check it. 23.3. All right, almost there. Keep on going, keep on going. And it's been a minute and 25. Check. 22, almost there. 20.8, just 0.8 more. Check. 20.2, there, stop. There, under 2 minutes to get it down to 20 PSI. And then let's check right here. It's showing here about 21, all 4 tires. Cool. All right, let's say you're done in the trail and now you have to air up. So now, pop the hood.
Yeah.
Because we need the we need to power it in the battery. There you go. So we're at 20.8. Yeah, make sure this thing is off.
Yeah.
Because if not, it's going to just keep on going like that. And you're gonna lose, your tire pressure is gonna go down. There you go. Then you could put it on like that. Because if you have this on and this is off, what's this? No air is gonna come in.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure this is down. Oh yeah. And then let's check the car. 21, all 4 tires, PSI. But then our machine is showing, or the Easy FLATE is showing 20.7. Right there. All right, so let's air up. So now I'm gonna plug this in. So we put the red in with the positive and then the black in the negative. There's the Moab compressor hooked up to the battery, all hooked up to all 4 tires. Now it's time to air up.
Yep.
She has the timer. Ready, set, go. Check it out. "24, 24, 24, 23. All right, 29.3, 54 seconds, 55. So basically under a minute already. We're near 30 already. Wow, this is fast. it really? Oh, 35.4?
Yep.
5.3. Stop.
Nope. Stop. We are
4 minutes and 53 seconds. Wow. All right. According to this, look at our tire pressure. 39.38, 39.38. Damn, that's fast. And you got it at what?
4 minutes.
4 minutes and 53 seconds. Less than 5 minutes to fill, to get all 4 tires. That's amazing. Less than 5 minutes. Here it is right here, 37. Wow, that's great. Awesome. All right, and we also forgot to mention.
Yeah, this part is a quick release too. There you go.
Easy peasy. Yeah. There you go. All right, let's pack up. See, imagine if you're in a trail and you're so tired already and hungry, or you just want to go. Just want to go home. Look how fast that was. This is us or her packing the Easy FLATE up.
Yep.
So it comes with a nice bag.
Yeah, it comes with a nice bag.
So we actually bought this separately. We didn't buy this in a bundle.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we already had our old compressor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then we were like, man, it's actually taking a minute. Yeah, with our old compressor, crap, it would have probably taken us like 20 minutes, huh?
20 minutes. Just to air all 4 tires.
All 4 tires. 20 minutes. That is 5 times, or almost 5 times the time that we are wasting. This 4 minutes and 55 seconds. That's it. This is how you pack it up. All right. So let's. There you go. That's that.
Yeah.
That's the cool thing with the coilovers. They spring in and spring out.
Yeah. So now it's all there.
And in our honest opinion, it looks cooler too.
Yes.
Forgot to mention, when I'm putting it or releasing it, I just have to pull. Yeah, even when I'm inserting it into, it takes longer to put these in. Put the cover. See, look here. I'll demonstrate. And
there.
go. I guess it depends too on your position. The one on the driver's side, I guess
It's easier.
I had a better position.
Yeah.
Right. So just simply pull.
Pull.
That's it.
Yep. And all 4 tires.
All 4 tires. It takes longer screwing back the cover on.
Yeah.
This is how you pack or organize the coilovers.
Yeah. We just shove it in.
You just shove it in, and make sure you don't tangle it.
Yeah. So to get all of this, is you just need to go to easyflate.com and use our discount code Bronco 10. It's BRONCO 10, all in caps, to get 10% off.
There you go. Integrated gauge and carrying. What's this, coilers? Or what do you call it? The hose?
The hose.
Coilers? What's the real name? Coilers?
I forgot.
She forgot that.